Welcome back, kid family. Thank you for tuning in on this video. And on this video, guys, I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you for subscribing, for viewing the channel. We started this channel with 0 subscribers. In the beginning of our subscriber journey or YouTube journey, we were subscribing for subscribers. If you don't know what that is, you subscribe to somebody, they subscribe to you. After YouTube changed their algorithm, that 1,000 minimum subscriber count to get monetized, that's what we were doing. The lowballing dogs like me that were just getting started, we were hungry and we were eating junk food in a way, if you get my flow. All right, but essentially we kept making videos, we kept putting some content out, we kept learning camera movements, camera transitions, editing. We learned a lot through this whole process, and Lord behold, probably it's been about 1.5 years since I started uploading more consistently, and here we are officially monetized. Again, I'm very grateful for every single one subscribing and viewing the videos, but I just want to break it down to you guys and explain the journey and how I got here. And essentially I got here through 2 videos that I made. I have 200 plus videos on my channel, but they all suck. Nobody really watches them, and that's okay. You might be experiencing the same thing, but 2 videos pretty much made up the majority of my subscribers. So let's go ahead. I got the computer out right here. I got all the statistics. I'm gonna screen record the screen so you guys see everything. I'm trying to be as transparent and honest with you guys as I can be, because at the end of the day, you guys deserve to know, because you're the viewers. All right, and as you guys can see, this is the main screen. Over the last 28 days, I gained 568 subscribers. Typically, I was getting about 50 subscribers a month. So I wasn't thinking I was going to be monetized until late October. And within 1 week after posting a video, I gained 200 plus subscribers. And then another week, another 200 subscribers. At that rate, I thought, this is crazy. I don't know how this is even possible. From going to no subscribers to some subscribers to just crazy amounts of subscribers. It's crazy. All right. So as you can see, since monetization, I made about $9. Now, YouTube, right here on YouTube, you see one thing, but on Google AdSense, you see another. Usually Google AdSense is the real payout number, which is definitely less than this. So right now, if it says 9, I'm probably making about $4 to $6, okay? But let's go back on the videos here, and I want to show you one of the most popular, well, it is the most popular video that I've made, which is spray painting a bumper that we found for free on the side of the road after an accident. I made this video. I bought the paint supplies, the gun, everything probably ran me close to 50 bucks, okay, of material. We made this video, and let's check out the analytics right here for this video. Over the last 28, or well, since published, it's got 67,000 views. My #1 video to date. It gained me just about 400 subscribers, and it made me about $2.40 since monetization. And yeah, look at this. The subscriber count is unreal, how much subscribers I've gotten. This was that one video that made me most of my subscribers. And then let's check out that other video that made me a lot of subscribers here. So I know you guys might be thinking like, oh man, YouTube is too hard, I'm gonna give up. Don't give up, man, because you never know when one video is gonna take off and you'll be subscribed or you'll be monetized in no time. So this is the video, my #1 video that it was surreal to me when all these people started viewing this video and subscribing to my channel. This is a video I made about Family Cruising. If you guys don't know who Family Cruising is, he was a YouTuber here in the local area, not too far. Pretty big guy. He had a Hellcat. He made a ton of videos. He was up to like 65,000 subscribers before all hell broke loose on his channel. The FBI got involved with him, his car, and he's shut down now. But at that time, I was like, hey, let's make a video about this because it's trending. The guy's local to me. Hey, why not? And that's what I did. I made a video. I gave some tips and tricks about street racing and things you should do when posting those kind of videos on social media. And let's take a look at this video here. Again, I made this video a while ago, so I'm going to go on the last 365 days. this video in December when I made it, I mean, I got a 40,000 views on it now. I gained 112 subscribers. So back in the day when I had like 300 subscribers, 112 subscribers was a lot for me. So these two videos were the majority of my bait for the YouTube audience, I guess you can say. Everything else wasn't popular, wasn't that great. I mean, here and there people watch, but these two videos pretty much made me monetized, and I'm in a great place right now. So I just want to say thank you guys again. And for those of you people that are just trying to start a YouTube channel, go for it, man. It's not going to be easy. Everybody wants everything to be perfect. As soon as you start, you want to know what you're going to do, how you're going to film. It's never that easy, guys. Just don't be afraid to learn as you go. That's my biggest advice for anyone starting a YouTube channel. And again, you guys can make money off of this. The potential is unlimited. Street Speed 717, he posted a video like this. He was making around $35,000 a month. Other YouTubers such as Graham Stephan, which has a financial channel, which might get more CPM, so you're getting paid more for your videos based on the content you're producing. Usually educational videos and finance videos get more per view. So this gentleman, man, he's banking close to $150,000 a month on YouTube videos. And his videos, he's just sitting in one spot and filming and talking. There's no cars involved, there's no modifications. The automotive channel, if you have a YouTube channel that's automotive, you're always dealing with upgrades. Wheels, $4,000. Suspension, $2,000. All the accessories, couple grand. And your returns are very limited because you're got so much overhead expenses to run this business, eh? So on my channel, as you guys know, I'm keeping it very limited. Expenses are always low until we start to get the ball rolling and maybe making in some more money. Then you can add some expenses to the channel to build and grow. That's the route we're going. But I'm just happy I'm monetized. Even the little passive income, $30 a month from this right now would be amazing, because at the end of the day, even if you keep your money in a bank account at Chase or Bank of America, you're not going to get that kind of interest at a bank. Sure, this requires a little bit of work, a little bit of time for editing and everything, and you will have to have a passion for it, otherwise you're going to quit. And that's one thing that this whole journey taught me, is stick through the tough times. I could have easily quit YouTube after I was originally monetized, and then when YouTube made the new rules and guidelines, I could have just quit. I could have gave up, and my brother could have done the same thing. But my brother, Bullet's Garage, he stuck with it. Now he's at about 2,500 subscribers. I stuck with it. I'm at 1,400 subscribers currently filming at this moment in time, and I'm very grateful that we both stuck through it. And you know, it's just a life lesson. You know, sometimes you got to work hard and dedicate a lot of time for something that you don't know whether it's going to happen or not. But it's a great feeling, very rewarding. And again, guys, all thanks to you possible. So thank you very much. I know this video might be getting a little long, so we're going to cut it short. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything, write them down below. I just want to know, if you guys are YouTubers, what was your biggest struggle when you were a new channel and you were trying to grow and get monetized? All right, guys, and on that note, I would like to end this video. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button for me being just truthful and transparent with you guys. I hope you appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video. So stay tuned. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.